Taribo, subscribe to Bum Korongani. Bell icon to Snub Gadabani. I'm Tanabiramo. Ahan Bomaktada, Kanglei Manzibu beginning Tabiri Bukai Kipi Pumnamapu, Adong Gimerup Tem Salam, Iko, no Kurum Zarimadi, Taram Nok Cherry. Murp Singh, Nasidi, Fungawari Mlizage. Matai Taina Mamangidane, Jungle Namakata, Wahong Amaga, Lamuyamaga, Matau Sanarame. No Madi, Zangal Sigi, Lady Basa Kudimak, Haibidi, Yong, Samu, Deki, Kokil, Heidi, Makal, Mayam Samayam Ladico, Samayam Sigi upon meeting a Batorame. Meeting Sidane, Mana his abatelan would say Haidan Mayam Siana Boporami. Telen si Ulapumatamda, Matang Sumtori, Samuna, Trumpet Torome, and Yong Sina U. Amada Yamada Chung the Kotara, Magi has a vitalent Mayamado, Mayam Gimo, the photo Ulame. Kokil Matam Yorkom, the Kokil Sina, Magia Mushiraba, Koitum Lava, Conzel the Ishame. Wahong Sinamuni Yangame, Kokil Sida, Amadi, Zelishi Pome, Kalapopome, Mihuba Pome, Adu Pajane say Saklepuda. Maduda Gidi, Wahong the soup, Magi turn Lakumatamda, Nasagi, Kokil the Sai say do. Aduna, Masu Suckling Dana, Masu says a Suckly. Mani says a Sawamatam Dare, Pazadre, Yobangam Dre. Mayam no ne Yamonda. Hey upon Nanga Kokil Gimato Tamidukagino, Haidana, Wahong Civil and Nerame. Numit say, Wahong say, Yam no Matoy no Aitana, Mayum Hale. Halapumatamda, Magi, Mama Nabu Riva, Lamizina Monda, Pauta Amapibirame. Nanga. Kokil Gimato Tamudo, Madunangi Swabini. Ayu Airbasu, my Amna, the Noknaribido, Madumna, Noknaramgani. Nanga, Kokil is a Sakpa Hairibido, Madugimato Tamgadavanate, Madudi, Magi Pitok Serpani. Adubo, Nanga Kauri the Bamadi, Nanga, Kokilgi, Koitum Labu Conzel, the Isai Sapado, Madumato Tambangam the Bukum. Nangi Fazerabazagoido, Kokil the Nashu, Mato Tambangam Day. Masinang nag-away the money. Murp Singh, Nasigi, topic city, it's about jealousy. So, Kalakpa Mihoba, jealousy have said. Karigi the Muta Kalakpa Mihoa, Poivno, Aina Pangdabapoto, Mana Pangibagi, Chakpani. That is jealousy. For example, Agi Manabam lady. Agi Manab Sigaiga. Job interview ma ibani pulap yawmin rore job interview se yawbu matam dane aidi am serious ne userini thabak sai gide darkar no bi yawrini adu mana like itaw toilet tan chapno ai sapina rusi kana chatpalo like that ma disum aigi bital lak pane adugo aidi interview se khalaktre and ma oina khangle adu matam da ingon da kari pokani ingon da kari feeling fawgani that is jealousy. And when people get jealous, they will just make excuses. Excuse my mama pirakaneo. Like, as man at Hawakan Griduri, no baba, no support PV, like extra. A queen is jealous pokumatum, a queen of failure, give a whole tongue home momentum. A queen the lady was so the queen of Uroi. Adubo, Mangon the lady, positive or pot ma'am, Madure Quihano Urkaneo. Mana Kagri do the Madu Gini. Ma died to Sabu, I'm going to eat Sahudre, Colodre, as mana do talk any more papa by beginning. Extra. So we go. Adubo, Pumnamuksha, Masiang by Atopa perception of Masule. Hybidi Mana do Pangrido, Aduto beginning hibernatable. Aina, Pangudri Zakarikino, Haidan Kanzaba, Hangzaba Tanda. Tiny exam time in the Pomatam Dari, ain't the mark here like a lapani. Mangun get any great one hele, Mangun get in a percentage one hele. Ado with Taragadi, Nasi interviews the I collect a mark collective. Karikino. I guess we carry the Bizano. I let over the carry a weapon of Bizano. Masi hang the Davani. Aduga, I could punshida, I couldn't tatana toba, common error habitate. Like I couldn't ping in the grammar Tamakuntamda, common error Haidaga, chapter Mayore. Aduga Chaman and I couldn't punshita, I couldn't day to day life the Tori Visida, I couldn't Yamnum Shoiba. Aduga Chumri man the Tabamale. Tabama to Womatamdane. focus yamna pisilo, over focus toksilo. Center tong maduda fazana center tong haiba potsa masisu langani. Marup sing adongi manakta leiba book natraga newspaper or anything paaba yaba readable oiba pot amaka lokhat piyo. Lairik amba lokhat piraga lairik tong isagi mitki hek mamangda natona nasagi sebang asibu thengri phawa pusinduni yengbiyo panana bhona biyo duga pabang ambibra ngamamgani have thazade punumak blur chalamgani. So aikoi punsi sisu aikoi na ka hena masida over focus tokshin bataragadi yengbani haiduna maduda pura center to adubo aikoi na book sibo khazikang relax taroga khazikang lapthok tuna yeng bataragadi everything is quite clear. So aikoi gi punsi sisu masiga chap mane karigumba aikoi na hena focus to bataragadi hena soibla lakani. So nasagi aina interview du khalaktraga imanavduna interview du khankhribedo aina over focus tokshin begini like ti punumak haidaba ngatane degree masu pairi ai su pairi adubo mana phangkhraga aina phangkhidribedo kari difference leibigino kari khenaba leibigino aina tension ka khatpagi maduda ka hena khanjalubagi. So overthinking or over focusing is the main reason of creating problems. Could problem ma'am se sum create or pasa masikum ma'am se tagi boy. So friends, mingon da mana phangri bido adugini adagini haidana ekoina matuda kok thadabgi muhtana jealousy pokpagi muhtana aingon da kari soidi have sai perception se masigi camera gi angle sai ekoi yengami bidu dagi atopa sai madi yeng batam sai and jealousy gi muhta ekoi gi isada kari wat paleki bagi no kari soiki bagi no have do maduda focus to shi amadi successful chen konsi matang sida ngasigi oinadi kanglei manjing gi episode asibu losinna nabge ayaba du mayam gi mufam dagi adong gi marup ningthem salamna nizari loina na kariguma adom na igi video asibu khazikang oirga sukanai haidun khanbiragadi natraga khazikang oirga sunungshi biragadi suksoi shoi dana like nambiyo comment to biro share to biyo amadi subscribe to ba scroll ko bigeno. Thank you.